Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to update your graphics driver on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So mainly we are using these three, which is Nvidia, AMD and Intel graphics card on our system. So if you want to update your graphics driver, then you just need to follow my step. So first of all, if you don't know your graphic card name, you just need to right click on your start menu icon and click on device manager. Now if you'll scroll down and expand display adapter, you'll see your graphic card name. So here I have two graphic card, which is one is internal Intel USD graphic card and another one is 3070 Ti. Okay. So I will update this Nvidia GeForce. So I will just go to this website, Nvidia website. So I will give you this link to my video description. After that, you have to choose your product. In my case, GeForce, then 30 series, then 3070 Ti, as you can see, for Windows 11, and here game ready driver. If I'll search, so as you can see here, I'm getting download button. So for Intel, you just need to download Intel drivers and support assistant. Once it will download on your computer, you just need to install, and after that launch, it will show you automatically the Wi-Fi drivers and wireless Bluetooth drivers best for your PC or laptop. For AMD, same way, you just need to download the auto detect install driver update software on your PC, and after that it will automatically detect and update your graphics drivers. So hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.